morning, girl, excuse me if I'm calling early. Cause something on my mind that I couldn't wait to tell you. It's not easy to say, so may I ask you to play along with a small guessing game. If it's a magazine, we're heading straight to gossip. If it's a hit parade, oh girl, you know you're gonna top. And if a world of finance had a stock called romance, you'll soon be a billionaire. And I've been waiting to say for a while, but this time I tried, but words come out wrong. So I guess the best way to tell you is calling you now to play you this song. Cause if my life is a tune, then the chorus is you, and you got the right notes to make my heart go boom. And the lyrics are always same. What today, can you hear the sound of knocking? I'm standing at your door now with some extra rhythm dropping. Cause if you were a book, Jane Austen is where I look. If you were a movie, too dirty dancing, I'd be Groot.